Okay. We got a Walmart Brass Eagle something. I don't know what it's called. We got CO2 in it. It takes little cartridges. And I modified it. Shortened the spring and put rubber washers in there to, take the spot of where the spring used to be. And so it's a lot quieter now. And the pump is a lot easier to pull back now. That's probably better. And I put this ghetto foregrip on there. It's like offset to the left side, but that's okay. And we're gonna be shooting a mixture of Valken Field and like JT. Okay, shooting over there, cocking it. You can't zoom your video there.
I don't know if you could or not.
Zoom real life. Okay, here we go. That is quiet. That didn't even break. That's the JT right there.
Don't have to hit the car.
That was Falcon. Tree shot.
Hold on.
Can't really aim with this thing, man.
Yeah, go.
Break. That was.
Do you really have a break?
I broke. Okay, let's try that again. See my CO2 coming out my barrel. Something about Ah!
That one hit.
It's the new sniper. Woo! Want to shoot some?
Yeah.
It'll feel like you're about to chop, but it's just the spring in there.
Yeah, cock this.
See, it feels like it. Miss. Oh, that one broke. And even though we got some bass coming here, son. Sounds like the car's about to fall apart. You out?
Nope.
Shooting inside my bucket. You hit everywhere but the ball.
I think I hit it once.
So this thing is super quiet. There we go. You can still, well, I guess if you're playing this way, you can still kind of pump it. There's not really a spot bump anymore. So, that's super quiet.